Alright, we're cleaning a 2-bedroom apartment. He's working on that. This is the first room we've started on. We got the pre-spray and then clean with that. So we got this room in here to do. A little short hallway, and then we got a living room. These carpets haven't been cleaned in over 2 years, and they've had a couple different sets of tenants that have lived on them, so they don't look too bad on the surface, but there's probably plenty of dirt down deep in the carpet. So, but we're basically scrubbing the carpet fibers clean. So he's basically got that room about knocked out. But I'll pause here and we'll resume in a different space. Alright, we're low moisture cleaning, work in progress on a 2-bedroom apartment, and we're into the living room. We just pre-sprayed it. We're using a neutral pH pre-spray for this one because the carpets aren't terribly dirty. And so not only will the carpets be dry in about an hour, but there's not going to be any residue to cause resoiling. There's nothing to be, the carpets will be nice and soft, they won't be sticky or stiff. And so low moisture cleaning. This is an orbital machine, so it's able to scrub the carpet fibers from all the sides as it spins. So it's doing a really good job. That's why it's so quick at getting up stains. And it also raises the carpet fibers back up and restores the nap of the carpet. Some areas are so matted down, if the carpet's worn away where there's hardly any carpet fibers left, it won't fix that. But if the carpet's in generally good condition, it's going to make it look a lot fresher, more like new. And as you can see, there is, once in a while, something gets popped up. Most people, when they vacuum, even if they vacuum real carefully, they're not getting everything out of the carpet. So there's going to be some stuff deep down inside that this machine is going to bring to the surface. But that's okay, because once the carpets are fully dry, you can just vacuum again.
If we pay for you and you don't vacuum, we'll know. This machine will pull everything out. If there's something in there, it'll come out.
Yeah, it pulls up everything that's down deep.
Now this big traffic lane here, where I'm at, this is, you can tell people had a couch here, and this is where they put their feet because the carpet's real gray. So, but it's just taking it right up like it's nothing. It's removing all those things from people's tennis shoes and stuff.
And it goes pretty quickly most of the time. You really don't need to go super slow.
If they're heavily soiled,
you may have to slow down a little bit.
But if they're medium soil, we just go pretty quick. But even when I say slow down a little bit, I mean we'll still go fast. We just slow down a little bit compared to what we're doing now.
Now we don't guarantee 100% stain removal, but we generally are going to try to work on anything we find. We've got spotters that we use for certain things, and we will try to get stains out. Some stains, if they're going to require an extensive treatment, that's optional to you if you want to mess with those or not. But generally, this thing gets up most everything.
Pretty much. We're never scared we're going to come across something we can't handle.
Now, the one thing you can't fix by cleaning is damage and wear. There's nothing you can do about that. You can make the carpet clean again, but you can't fix damage, you can't fix wear. So now this does temporarily fix wear to a point because it raises the carpet fibers back up, but that's only going to be temporary. Okay, he's still working. Let me show you this other room. Okay, this is the other bedroom that we did. Of course, you saw this one. And these carpets are going to be fairly dry by now already. Let me open this closet door though, because we get the airflow in there. And he's almost done with this living room. So this is a quick, efficient method of getting your carpets cleaned and your carpets dry faster. And you're not going to have to deal with a soaking wet carpet. We're not getting the pad wet.
No, we do not power wash the carpets.
No, we're not getting the pad wet. You're not getting your subfloor wet. So you're not going to have to worry about getting mildew or bad smells. So we're just about done. Excuse me.
Yeah, a couple minutes and it'll be finished. And then about 30 minutes later it'll be dry, like we were never here. 30 or 40 minutes. They dry in an hour or less. Normally they dry in, normally if we do like a 2-3 bedroom house, by the time we get done with the house, the first bedroom's completely dry and the second bedroom's pretty much dry, so they dry pretty fast.
Well, he's just about finished.
This
That's
is the dark
about.
area, so I'll hit
He
it
worked out a little bit more.
But it's clean. Just to make sure that there's nothing left behind, I'll absorb anything else I can into my 1-inch thick bonnet that absorbs everything. So, yeah, if you guys wonder how this works, it has a 1-inch bonnet on it, metal cloth, and it absorbs everything we run across. It all goes right up into the bonnet. They don't get left in the carpet, it goes into the bonnet and it's out. That's how it works.
I'll show you one. This is one that's lightly used. And it's got scrubbing strips on it. It's 1 inch thick. It's going to hold tons and tons and tons of moisture and dirt. And this one's only been lightly used. But the scrub strips help scrub your carpet fibers clean. And then it absorbs as it goes. So if you use a good pre-spray, then you can have all the dirt and everything will be loosened from the fibers and ready to be absorbed. So anyway, that's all. We're just showing you a quick video of a vacant apartment. Is always a nice thing to video because you can show everything really good. There's not so many shadows to deal with. But that's basically the process. So till next time, thanks for watching.